Is this right? Okay. I think I'm on. Let me just fix my timer real quick. Oh, no, no, no. There we go. All right. So we are going to do some speed runs of Microsoft Excel. So let me just log into my my Windows 2000 workstation right here. And Clippy is going to do some guest commentary for me. I know you're probably all you know, excited to see him. He's very helpful. I've trained him to do the commentary, so hopefully he does good. I know everyone's excited, so let's just get into it. And first thing I should explain is we're going to be speed running the Microsoft Excel Easter eggs. Easter eggs. Well, I'm sorry, I couldn't use ME. It crashes too much. All right, so we're just gonna start the timer real quick, and we're gonna go into the first Microsoft Excel 2000. All right, where's Clip? Oh, to select only blank cells in a region, select the region, click Go To on the Edit menu, click Special, and then click that. That's not how we speedrun. No, no. Clippy. What are you doing to me? I want a speedrun. He doesn't know what I mean? You're useless, Clippy. All right, fine. I'll do this by myself. We're just gonna go to a selection sheet. We're gonna save it as a web page. We're gonna add interactivity. You know what? We're gonna go over to my desktop, and we're just gonna save this page. And you know what? We don't even need you now, Clippy. You're gone. No, I don't want to save it. This guy. All right. So next part here. This right here to explain the team that designed this Easter egg was actually the same team that designed the Excel on the web functionality, which apparently was really hard. I don't know. But anyways, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go all the way down. Oh, hang on. We're going to go all the way down to row 2000. And then we're going to have to go to WC. And this is the longest part of this run. Longest part. But don't worry, I have a treat for you all. Very big treat. So row 2000. And we're just going to select this. We're going to be able to see every letter in the alphabet twice. So wave high, do you like your favorite letters? I'm fond of Q, for example, you know. Q's a good letter. D is alright. F is okay. I don't know. G? GG, you know. That's a nice letter. Or we're looking for W, though. Q is awful. Get out of here. What is this? It's my favorite letter you're talking about. All right. We're getting the W, I think, right? I just wanted to stop at the Q's. Where's W? T, U, W, W, no, V? W's around here somewhere. Ah, there we go. All right, all right, all right. We're gonna click on this magical icon here. And whoa, what's going on? You are Dev Hunter. Your mission is to hunt the software developers on the highways of Seattle and destroy them. I don't know why. The most notorious of those suspected of creating the infamous Microsoft Excel web components. It is these wretched scum that you now seek. All right, well, we're gonna have to hunt some devs. So, real talk here, the run ends right after we see the credits one more time. And this is basically a like a fan game of what is it? I'm forgetting the name of it. Oh, Spy Hunter. So we just saw credits. We can pour oil, we can shoot, we can do all these cute, cool things. We even have headlights, but they only work when it's dark. So that's pretty much this one. Unfortunately, no music. I wish there was. That is the most buggy. It is a basically it's running on an early version of DirectX, which is why I have a very specific setup here for it. So you know, that one kind of glitches out. There's a chance it can crash, but luckily it didn't happen here. All right, so now we are going to go into Microsoft Excel 97. And here we can see the original Clippy. Wow, this guy's old. All right, maybe this one will help us. All right. Speed run Excel. What? Lotus 1, 2, 3? No. No, you know what? All right, we're on our own again. Fine. We're on our own. So I believe we press F5 and X, and then we're going to go 97 and then L97. All right, and we're just going to tab over 1. And we're going to go to the chart wizard here while pressing Control and Shift, and bam, we get this fun little flight sim. Okay, let me just reorient ourselves. So the point of this one is to find the credits, like, you know, any game. Just find the credits. Oh, there we go. Here we are. And some nachos, but nothing else. And Excel did calculate the numbers, and hath plotted thy data, and lo, it was draggeth and droppeth into lesser applications. And this was good, and the world was at peace and stuff. Credits. All right, we found it. We found the credits. So now we're gonna have some fun. Whoa, ludicrous speed. All right, I think we're done with this, right? Let's get to the main event. And just some technical stuff there. That one also is kind of a very basic DirectX thing. It's actually very hard to get running properly. We're here at Excel 95, the original, like, Office Excel, the non-standalone. So we are going to go all the way down to row 95. We're going to tab over 1, and then we're going to go to Help, About Microsoft Excel. And then we're going to press Control, Shift, Alt, and then tech support. Whoa. Well, what's this? Some sort of a Hall of Tortured Souls. Oh, Book 2 is a good Microsoft Excel. Oh, yeah. All right, so, you know, this looks normal, right? Pretty normal. No secrets. I don't see a credits. I mean, there's credits on the wall over there, but, you know, I don't think that's it. So what we're going to do, we're going to type in the secret code. Excel KFA. Yeah, there's an Easter egg within the Easter egg. So we're going to cross this little zigzag bridge. Hopefully I do this right. Okay, this is harder than it looks. I can't look down. There's only arrow keys. All right, one more. Oh goodness. I'm a little off. Okay. Ooh. Record time. Whoa. There we go. Here's the real credits. Secret credits window. All right. And we can see the Excel developers here. Yeah. Now it's so grainy because literally that's all that they could do. And just some fun things about Microsoft Excel Easter eggs here. This was actually fairly technically impressive that they were able to do. Obviously, the developers were huge fans of Doom, and they wanted to, you know, show their prowess and their love of the game, and they made a credit screen that's basically heavily Doom inspired. So yeah, it's pretty incredible that they were able to do this without like full system resources, and that's why we have this tiny little window, super tiny. So obviously this is Doom inspired. The other one, the flight sim one, is obviously Microsoft flight sim inspired, and the original was Dev Hunter inspired. And this is how you speedrun Microsoft Excel. So, oh, I see someone noticed the Angry Wiener Dogs Unlimited. Well, yeah, this is how you speedrun Microsoft Excel, and I think that's pretty much it. And you know what? Let's go back to Clippy real quick. Oh, still useless. Oh well.